In this video, I will show you how to write great cold emails through AI. Hi, I'm Stanis, and today I will teach you how to create a fully customized email sequence for your agency in less than 10 minutes and with just a single URL of your potential client's website. So as you know, a perfect cold email can mean the difference between landing a life-changing client and spending all of your free time chasing leads. So it's very important. But who has the time to spend countless hours crafting this perfect personalized message for every client? But all of that is changing rapidly with the latest AI tools being able to do the research, the strategizing, and the writing faster and easier than me and you. So now we can spend all that newly free time delivering amazing results to our clients and growing our businesses. And by the end of this video, I will show you a special trick of writing cold email with AI that will make it 300% more personalized for your specific business. We'll be using a GroupChat AI tool with different agents, so we can freely choose which ones to use for each task. Personally, I like Perplexity AI for client research, and there are special pre-trained AI agents here that specialize in cold emails and marketing strategies. Let's start this whole thing by looking for clients. You probably already know what potential clients you want to create cold emails for, but I need an example, and it never hurts to know how to get new ones. Say we're an influencer marketing agency and we're looking for growing tech startups that have recently raised money from investors. How do we do that? Let's open a new chat here on Boodle box. In the top left corner, you can press Ctrl B or just plus, and here we're going to start a new chat. Now we're going to need to mention Perplexity. We do that just by literally mentioning Perplexity AI. Search the internet. Okay, let's ask Perplexity to please find tech startups that have raised money from investors recently and give me a list with websites. Okay, good. A lot of cool websites. So Galatea Technologies, cloud computing B2B software, maybe a little something more interesting. Oh, Autopilot, cloud computing B2B software, and it's all-in-one flight planning for drone pilots. That's kind of cool. I kind of like it. Let's just get Autopilot. There's a lot of information there. Just need the URL, and we will use this URL to give the bot all the information it needs. Now we're going to mention a draft and email sequence bot. We're going to give this bot the URL. It will be everything it needs to get all of the information from that website, and we can ask it to actually draft us an email sequence. I'm going to ask it to use this URL as context and draft an email sequence offering to grow their business with the help of our micro-influencer network. And there it goes, just firing away, writing that email sequence. So the email sequence is ready. It's pretty good. It includes most of the details that I mentioned when I answered the questions, and it's written well, and it's well structured. But of course, we want to make it even better. You can actually work with the email sequence bot to make it better, or you can switch to a different bot which specializes on the text of the cold email, and I'm going to do just that. I'm going to mention the cold email bot, which is going to be a little different. So what we want from the sales bot cold email is to take the emails from the post above and write better opening lines for all of them. So the cold email is asking for more context, and I'm just going to go back here and give it the URL, remind it about the URL again. And here it's giving just more opening lines that could work based on that URL. It can access it from the previous chat. You can either give it the URL again or just tell it to look for it. We can also ask for different things. We can ask it to make 2 variations for the first email for an A/B test, for example, and it will do that as well. It will ask for more use the website for context. So the bot is pre-trained to ask questions, and you can just give it the URL again and again for it to find everything it needs. So here it will be 2 variations of the same email, and you can give it, like, if you have the time, you can give it different URLs. You have this company, and you can give it like their social media, their mission statements, anything, and just like to really pinpoint which parts you want to focus on, and just work on the emails it's writing for you as much as you want. And finally, it's time for that special trick I promised you in the beginning of how to make the cold emails more personalized to your specific specific business. But this is an advanced technique because you do need to have your own documentation, your own guidelines and materials to help the AI. Basically, here in the top right corner, you can attach files as knowledge to the chat and use that knowledge and those files as additional context for AI to really hone in on your messaging and branding. This will make the emails and anything you ask the AI to write much more personalized to your specific business. I'll demonstrate by attaching this PDF file of just a random sales book I found online to give the emails a certain style. And I'll just tell the bot to use it. So now the bot is using some of the tricks and know-hows from the book. And if it was your document with your sales guidelines, it would be using those to change those emails even further. So that's it. I hope you get a lot of new business with these new cold email campaigns you have just drafted. And if you have any more questions or topics you would like me to cover or some tools to explain, please let me know in the comments. We're reading those and we will be responding. Drop a like, subscribe, and if you'd like to know how to use Perplexity AI to find new trends, check out this video on our channel. See you in the next one.